So I've got the Sony WF-1000XM6 earbuds, and I'm going to be showing you how to pair and connect this to your Mac or MacBook. Now, I have a MacBook Air, but it's exactly the same instructions for any Mac. So what you need to do is first go to your Bluetooth settings. So you want to tap on the control center icon at the top there, and then select Bluetooth. And then select Bluetooth settings, and that's going to open up the Bluetooth settings window. Now from here, you simply want to scroll down and you can see where it's searching for devices to connect to. And for it to find your XM6 earbuds, you need to put them in pairing mode. Now at the back of the case is this little button just next to the Type-C port. And what you need to do is press and hold that button until the light in front of your case starts blinking blue. So I'm just holding right now, and you can see that light has started blinking blue. That means the earbuds are in pairing mode. And now you can see our Mac has detected this. All you have to do now is click on connect, and that should get paired and connected to the Mac. Simple as that. So you can see they are currently connected. You can even see the battery percentage. Now, all you have to do is take the earbuds out of their case and wear them and use them to consume media. Now, in case sound is not coming out of the earbuds, then you can go to the control center once again and then go to sound, click on that arrow next to sound and make sure the earbuds are selected as the sound output device. Thanks for watching and good luck.